Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss how you can delete your Instagram account temporarily or permanently. To do so, first of all, go to any web browser which you have. In search bar, write Instagram and press search button. Here you have to remember that you can deactivate or delete your Instagram account only through the desktop browsers on PC, laptop, or cell phones. It can't be done by using Instagram Android app. Now click on Instagram link and go forward. On this page, you have to log in here in Instagram account by using your username and password. After log into your account, click on your account information page. In the drop-down menu click on Settings button. On the last of this open page, you will see Temporarily Deactivate Me Account option. Click on it. Here you see, why are you deactivating your account? Select any possible option as per your condition from the pop-up menu. After selecting, type your Instagram account password here. On the last click on Temporarily Deactivate Account. Instagram will ask you, you really want to temporarily deactivate your account or not? If you want to deactivate your account, then click Yes. But, if you want to delete your account permanently, then click on Help button, from left menu. On this page, click on Help Center. In the search bar, write Delete Account Permanently. On this page, you will see the tag. How do I delete my Instagram account? Click on this tag. Go to the second paragraph of open page, which is to request permanent deletion of your account. Here click on Delete Your Account. Here you have to select why you want to delete your account. Select any suitable option from drop-down menu. After that, type your Instagram account password here. Now click on Delete Account button. On the last, Instagram asks you about permanent deletion of your account. By clicking on OK button, your account will no longer available.